This is Bellabot, a delivery robot. Full of novelty, runs into you unexpectedly. It is here to quickly guide you to your seat.
It's something novel. But can I interact with Bellabot?
Of course you can. Just touch it softly, and you will have a close contact with it. Moreover, it has a lively and cute appearance with the innovative bionic design. Surely, it will attract your attention.
But how to start its service?
Just utter a voice command. It will follow and go wherever you want it.
Will it send a wrong dish?
Of course not. Because it directly targets the customer to be served. Accurate delivery. It also serves with the intelligent induction trace, allowing Bellabot to know if the delivery has been completed.
Any other modes of distribution?
Oh yes! It can also deliver service on the cruise mode. Whenever you require, it shall stop in front of you.
Is it safe to use Bellabot for delivery services?
It surely is. It's equipped with the latest 3D sensor. Shall stop whenever encountering obstacles, and always keeping a safe distance from it. Even a sudden halt. An independent stabilizer suspension system can ensure its steadiness.
Any more possibilities for a more efficient delivery?
Look, there can be several Bellabots covering one area to distribute orders timely, automatically returning after delivery, no hindering one another.
It can only be used in restaurants?
No, Bellabot can make deliveries with no direct contact, which is suitable for all kinds of settings and distribution needs, wherever there is a demand, regardless of where you are. Bellabot can come across exceeding your expectations. Bellabot, the delivery robot, full of novelty, runs into you unexpectedly.